This is a little Bible that was printed in the late 1700s. And you're probably asking yourself, how could you read that? Well, you actually could, because it was an abbreviated version of the Bible. And they called these thumb Bibles, and that term was so popular that later copies even said thumb Bible. By the end of the 1800s, 1894, this came out. In fact, it's the smallest complete Bible in the world. That's right, 1 million words. Now, you're not going to be able to read this unless you can read 72 lines to the inch, but they knew you would have trouble reading that, so they gave you a magnifying glass, and you can actually read it with that. Now the race was on. Who could make the smallest Bible? Well, just 2 years later, they made this one, which was even smaller. I know you have a question. How could they even print like that? Well, you can't make type that small, but there was a relatively new invention of photography, and a picture was taken of a large Bible, and then a picture of a picture of a picture until it gradually got smaller, and then it was developed onto a plate to where they were able to make these miniature Bibles, and very few of these survived because everybody lost them. But this is not the smallest. In fact, pretty sure it holds the Guinness Book of World Record for being the smallest leather-bound book. And here it is. It's inside this little case. But now this is back to not being a complete Bible, but verses from the Bible. But it's the world's smallest Bible.